The most popular member of the OpenAI clan, the iconic ChatGPT, is not only a tool for composing quick replies, editing content, or fact-checking your assignment. This phenomenal AI tool can help you start a side hustle or a full-time business that can make you hefty dollars daily. No kidding, folks! A guy named Jackson Greathouse Fall asked ChatGPT how to make money by using $100. Within a week, Jackson created an affiliate marketing site worth over $1,300. Cool, right? All he did was ask ChatGPT for help and follow the instructions shared by it. Hello, Brainiacs, and welcome back to another video where I will show the top 5 ways to make insane money by unleashing the full potential of ChatGPT. So without wasting any other minute, let's get started. Before we get all nitty-gritty about making money with ChatGPT, here's what you need to do. Create an account with ChatGPT. Start by logging on to chat.openai.com. Click Sign Up, click the email address field. Fill in your email or click on the Continue with Google's option. Add a password if you sign up with your email. Click Continue. Add your name, verify your phone number, and voila! Your workspace is ready to use. Here's how this super powerful AI tool can help you generate thousands of dollars. The easiest way to earn from ChatGPT is by providing services in the writing and translation niche. All you must do is head to your ChatGPT workspace and give clear prompts about your requirements. For instance, suppose you have to write the web page content for an insurance company. Simply tell ChatGPT, create web page content for a car insurance company. Use a friendly and professional tone and invite a call to action. Use the above prompt to see how effectively and eloquently ChatGPT will craft a precise copy for you. Similarly, you can use this tool to translate foreign languages and get paid for it. Here's another example for you. Suppose you want to translate an English essay into the French language. All that you have to do is give the prompt. Translate this essay into the French language. Do not change tenses, meaning, or context in the paragraph. After that, paste the paragraph. Within a few seconds, you will have your essay ready in whatever language you want. Moving on to the second way to milk cash from this tool. If you have a lot of knowledge on a particular domain and want to share it with the world, ChatGPT will help you craft a hooking and informative book. Simply share the snippets of your knowledge and give a prompt to discuss or elongate a certain heading more, or divide your entire draft work into different chapters. All that you have to do is master the art of giving accurate prompts and watch ChatGPT's magic. Once your book is ready, self-publish it on Amazon or sell it via your website. Watch this. Create an outline for the book on how to wake up early. Once you have the outline ready, take help from ChatGPT to write engaging and informative content for each chapter. So for instance, in the first chapter, you want to talk about the benefits of waking up early in the morning. Simply ask the ChatGPT, write 1,500 words on waking up early. Use a motivational tone and use examples and quotations from famous people. That's it. Your work is done. Repeat the same step for each chapter, compile the entire content, and you are ready to publish it under your name. Up next, on number 3, we will talk about creating an app. Got a mind-blowing and profit-exploding idea for a digital product? Let ChatGPT handle the mind-boggling coding for you. Simply share your idea with ChatGPT and let it craft an error-free code for you. So, let's say I want to create an extension for Google Chrome to block ads or unwanted pop-ups. I'll write what I want on my workspace, and that's it. If you have the basic know-how of coding and development, ChatGPT will become your personal coder to develop whatever app, website, or extensions you have in mind. Moving forward, we now have starting a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is one of the most popular side hustles of millions of people across the globe. With the help of GPT and other AI tools, you can create hooking videos, get thousands of views, and earn some serious cash. Here's how you can begin to create your own channel. First, go to ChatGPT and ask for suggestions on which niche to create your channel on. You can even input your interest and expertise so that ChatGPT can give you the best possible suggestions. Once you have the list of suggestions, select one niche that you think is the best. Once your niche is decided, ask ChatGPT to generate some ideas for videos. Select a title and ask the ChatGPT to craft a compelling script for the video. You can give the prompts to ChatGPT for creating a certain tone like thrilling, spooking, motivational, etc. Once you have the script, you can create the entire video using several AI tools. You can check out our entire video on how to create an entire video through AI tools. After completing the video, it's time for an interesting voiceover to keep your audience hooked to the video. Don't worry, Brainiacs, you don't have to Google these text-to-speech AI tools and search how to use them. Because we have already created a comprehensive guide, check out our video on the top 5 text-to-speech AI tools that you can also use to make voiceovers for your YouTube channel. Now you have everything in your hand: the script, the video, a voiceover. All you have to do is upload the video on your YouTube and share it on your social handles to get more traffic to your video. Moving towards the last trick to mint money via ChatGPT, which is start a blog. Creating a successful blog can be a lucrative side hustle, and with the assistance of ChatGPT, you can take your blogging game to the next level. Here's how ChatGPT can help you get started and monetize your blog effectively. Begin by leveraging ChatGPT's expertise. Ask for guidance on selecting a niche that aligns with your interests and target audience. With ChatGPT's suggestions, you can narrow your options and choose a niche that resonates with you. Once you've chosen a niche, create a website on WordPress, Wix, or Blogger.com to publish your posts. These websites are super simple to use, and it'll hardly take a few minutes to set up your website. After that, tap into ChatGPT's creative capabilities to generate blog post ideas. Provide prompts and keywords related to your chosen niche and let ChatGPT craft engaging and informative blog post concepts for you. To take it a step further, request ChatGPT to assist you in crafting captivating headlines and introductions for your blog posts. With its ability to understand tone and style, ChatGPT can help you create compelling content that captures readers' attention. As you start writing your blog posts, consider using ChatGPT for proofreading and editing assistance. Its language proficiency can help enhance your writing quality and ensure error-free content. Once you've established a steady flow of engaging content on your blog, it's time to monetize. Explore various strategies such as display advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products and services related to your niche. So, that's it for today, folks. We hope you are all jazzed up to create a side hustle today by unleashing the true potential of the star of the AI world, ChatGPT.